What's going on, guys? It's your boy Starter Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, what you just watched was a little intro video. It's actually from something called Drip Africa. So I guess Drip is in Africa. It's from Drip Africa, baby. Hey, boy, Forex is pushing this thing, boy. You hear me? Got another announcement today. So, hey, that's what it is, man. Y'all know, hey, going forward. That's what we do. Onward and upward. But you know what today is, man. You know why we here. You're like Marshawn Lynch. You know why we here, baby. You know why we here, man. It's airdrop day, baby. Hey, look here. I shouldn't even have to tell you what to do by now. I should just put up a blank screen every Friday. And just the ones that know, you know. The real ones, y'all know what to do. But anyway, for those that don't know, what you have to do every Friday, baby, is comment under this video. You say you watch my videos every day, but you ask me, how do I get airdrop? I just don't understand it. But anyway, all you got to do is comment under the video and then reply to yourself with your address. Because if you put the address in the comment, sometimes on YouTube it don't show. Sometimes it do, but sometimes it don't. They'll look at it as a link or something. So just reply to yourself and put your address. Now, the best way to get it is, you know what I'm saying, put Drip somewhere in the comment. You know what I'm saying? Say Drip is awesome, or Drip breezy, or Drip changed my life, or Drip making me rich, whatever. You know what I'm saying? And people are like, what's the reason for that? The reason for that, guys, is community drives everything when you have stuff like this. People, sometimes, a lot of these videos are seen by people outside of the community. You know what I'm saying? And if you type in Drip and you're looking for Drip access, more times than not, you're going to see one of my videos. So when they see a video, and I'm talking about Drip, and they look in the comments, and you talking about hourglass and all this elephant, all this old other stuff, they're gonna be like, oh well, Drip must not be nothing. They talking about all this other stuff. You see what I'm saying? I know what I'm doing, guys. I know exactly what I'm doing. Y'all watch them other people too much. YouTube is not easy. You got to know what you're doing, man. I know what I'm doing, bro. You understand what I'm saying? Well, master at this thing. That's why I don't pull up charts. Charts are for people that ain't got nothing to talk about. You know what I'm saying? It's hard to do this, to talk 10, 20, 30 minutes and have something to say, actually make people money. The easiest thing to do is pull up a chart, tell, well, I hope it get above this, and I might roll over. Give me a coin to tell you about. Yeah, just hold it, going to the moon. Bro, you just losing your life watching that stupidness. Like, you been watching these folks for years, ain't earned nothing. I'm just keeping it real. Some of y'all can get mad all you want. I was the same way, sitting there watching that man, looking at charts, drawing this, drawing that, and still behind on rent. I'm just keeping it 100. Keeping it all the way real, baby. And then got to watch them talking about how rich they are. What kind of man? What? I'm trying to bring everybody up, baby. That's why I'm doing these airdrops every Friday. Not missing one. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing it every Friday, baby. Every long as this platform is live, I'm gonna be doing airdrops. Straight up. So, and you know, oh, well, let me show you about it. Let me see. Hold on. Now this for this one. This for the big crew now. This for this one. Fridays are for the big crew. Don't get them confused. I'm gonna ban you for that too. Don't start no confusion about, well, I'm on the other team. I thought, no, you ain't thought nothing. You thought your way on up out of here, what you did. This is, everybody know every Friday, this is for this one. Now, let's get to the other one. Now, for the people on this team, the smaller team, baby, y'all airdrops is on Thursday. You know what I'm saying? Which means the video will probably be on Wednesday. So I'll make the video on Wednesday and do the airdrop on Thursday. Like on the first team, I do the airdrops on Friday, and I do the video on Friday and make the airdrops on Saturday. So just watch out for Wednesday's video. Wednesday's video, if you're on this team, I suggest you make a comment and comment your address, reply to yourself in the comment. You know what I'm saying? It's just as simple as that. But, you know, if you watch my videos, you'll know, because I'm going to say it every video, what to do. You know what I'm saying? Everybody guaranteed an airdrop on the first one. If you're on the team, you're getting the airdrop. Just that simple. That's how your boy do. Ain't nobody doing it like me. That's how I do. But anyway, man, if you on team A, you already know what to do. So we're going to move on from that. If you don't, then just be prepared to complain and get banned. But anyway, let's move on, baby. Just a little quick update. You see your boy still cashing out without using Coinbase, baby. Cash, you see it. You see these amounts, baby. You see it. Look at that. 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 You see it, baby. You see it. Hey, man, I practice what I preach, baby. Hey, just a little update on that. Now let's jump on over here to Pulsechain, baby. This thing is jumping by 20 million a day, bruh. A day. Now let me give you some historical perspective to show you how that is. HEX best day was, I think, 11 million. I think that was the best day for HEX and the adoption amplifier. You see how I give you that perspective, you know what I'm saying? See how you learn something when you watch me? You know what I'm saying? Just saying, oh, it's 600 million. What's the perspective, though? As great as HEX was and how much money it's making people, this thing here might, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm just giving you perspective. But HEX best day was 11 million. This thing is doing 20 million a day. It's crazy. But anyway, let's go on over here, baby. You know what time it is. I put my money where my mouth at, man. I don't be doing all that yipping and yapping and what I'm gonna do, what I'm finna do after I move this over here, after I do that. No, I'm gonna do it right now. Come on now. Come on, Metler Mask. Come on, baby. I hope Pulsechain faster than MetaMask, man. God, hey. For real. Come on. Where we at? There we go. What we got over here? You see it? Did 100,000, 100,000, 100,000, 100,000. Get what I'm finna do now? Another 100,000 HEX. That's what I do, baby. Did I copy the thing? Copy the address. Y'all better make me mess up. Copy the address. I better sent somebody. I better sent one of y'all 100,000 HEX. I might do a contest. You know me now. You know me. I be giving away money, baby. They're giving it away. Let's see. Let's go and send that like this right here. Bye-bye. 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 Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Let's go, baby. Send it. Boom. 100,000 HEX. Boom. To the sacrifice. You see it. 100,000, 100,000, 100,000. That's what I do. I keep doing it. I might do some ETH tomorrow. I don't know. I know I'm doing some USDC. I don't know how much I'm going to have by the end of it, how much I'm going to put in there. But hey, man, if you believe in a project, this is the thing. Well, the video is too long, so you know I can go at this all day. But anyway, man, today is airdrop day. We'll talk about Pulsechain another day. Comment below, baby. Talk about your drip experience or whatever, man. What happened? Hold on. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Hold on. I guess Richard don't want my money. We're going to try it again. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Let's see what we got. See, I don't do all that editing and taking that part out. You finna see it. You know what I'm saying? What's happening? What's going on? Wait, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's the new address? What? What's going on? Why ain't doing that? What's going on back here? What is it? Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. See, can I speed it up? There we go. See? Hey, baby. This is real. This is real crypto right here. None of that edited stuff, trying to make everything seem perfect and all that. Nah. You know what I'm saying? Your boy Stunner 100. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.